So if your Pure 3 system is shut down due to a low state of charge, you can wake the system up using the following procedure. First, begin by unplugging the coach from shore power if it's already plugged in. Next, make sure that the air conditioner is turned off, or any AC appliances that you may have plugged in are also turned off. Now, going to the Pure 3 control panel here next to the state of charge gauge, the button has two positions: fully depressed, the on state, and then not depressed or fully out flush, which is the off condition. Cycle the button to make sure that it is in the fully out or off position. Give the coach about 20 seconds, and then you'll depress the button to wake the system up. Now promptly plug the coach into shore power.